Hi students, today here we are going to see how to log in for Mindspark English. So go to Google Chrome, open a new tab there and type Mindspark. You can see number of searches there, but please click on Mindspark Login. So once you click on Mindspark Login, it will be displayed like this. So login Mindspark, click on that. So the screen will be shown like this, user login. So username is nothing but your school ID. So type your school ID as your username in the first box. So here I have taken ID of one of our students. So to show you how it works from your side. Next, coming to password. So as all of you know that already you are working on for Mindspark Math, the same user ID and the same password you are using for English too. So once you click on that password also, you should go to the login. So there you have to select your mobile rotation option. So please rotate your screen. See here, you can see that. So screen rotation was successful there. Now you click on English and beside there will be 3 dots. There you should go and you should select desktop site. So once you select desktop site there, it asks you to log in once again to the Mindspark. So please do the needful there. So once again log into Mindspark with your same user ID and password too. So first click on the first box to give your user ID. Next, you need to give your password. So after giving both, you please log in. So the screen will be shown here like this. Would you like to go with math or English? So please click on English. So once you click on English, your screen will be shown like this. See here, hi with your name, and there will be 3 lines near Mindspark and you can see the home page and classroom. So please click on classroom and your questions for the day will be ready there. If you click on OK, your session starts there. Hope you understood very well. If still anyone is having any doubt regarding login of Mindspark, please get back to me. Thank you.